This will be set 3 of our DB motor drills. Some of these movements are a little bit more complicated, but what you can now do is add balls into the drills. We'll start with a quick warm-up drill. Throughout these examples of drills, I'll give you keys on how to complete each drill. On this first drill, all you're going to do is pedal down the line and T-step straight back down the line. Make sure you use both feet. Here's an example.
We'll see a bunch of them, okay, because I have a bunch of them here on this. We'll go into that same pedal. We always start out the drill the same way. So stance, shoulder over knees, knees over toes, hands in front, 90-degree arm bend, okay? We get into our start, pedal, 0 degree, just straight back downhill. This one time we're doing a left foot break, all right? You can't see me in front, however, but what I'm doing is I clap my hands on the start, and when I stand straight up, and then when my hips drop, that's when they break. I always give them an indicator that's realistic, you know, to what they're going to see, right? So back pedal, then the break, right?
On the next drill, you're going to pedal, flip, and go. Make sure to stay low in your pedal. Again, remember to throw the elbow to open up your hips, point your toe in the direction that you are going, and make sure you still have your plant foot when you flip and go. Again, you can utilize balls in this drill. Most of these drills you can all use balls. Pedal, flip and go. Throw the elbow. Open up the hips. Plant and drive. This next drill is called double flip and break. So what you're going to do is you're going to start in a pedal. You'll open one way, flip all the way around and open the other way, and then you'll T-step and break straight ahead. Remember to switch both plant feet on your T-step straight ahead, so go both ways. This next drill is angle flip and go. So what you'll do is you'll pedal weave right from the start on a 45 for 5 yards. Right when you get to that 5-yard mark, you're going to open the opposite way that you were pedal weaving. Again, work on that break. Plant, drive, point your toe in the direction you want to go, throw the elbow. The next drill will be a W drill with a ball. You will start out with a pedal, but then now you're going to break on a 45 and you'll do it twice. So pedal, break on a 45, pedal straight back, break on a 45 again. Remember to go both ways with this drill. Alright, so the cues for the next drill, break and flips, is to pedal. You'll break on a 45, and then after you've broken on a 45, you're going to open and flip your hips in the opposite direction that you've broke. Okay, do this both ways. So pedal, T-step, break on a 45, open. Here you go. Okay, so the next drill says curl breaks. Basically what this is you'll pedal, you'll open, and then you'll break on a 45 down to the way that you open. So on this one, you're going to break to the same way you opened. Pedal, open, break, same way you open. Again, utilizing the T-step. Make sure we keep our same levels. This next one is called comeback break, so it's the same drill as the last drill, but now all you're doing is you're pedaling, you're opening, and now you're breaking on a 45 in the opposite direction that you opened. Again, get a good pedal in off the start. Pedal, open, break in the opposite direction. Make sure to go both ways on this also. This next drill says center field turns. Really, that's speed turns. So again, what you'll do is you'll pedal, you'll open, and then you'll speed turn high the opposite way that you open. So again, pedal, open, speed turn high. We want to stay high on the speed turn. That's why it's saying center field. On this next drill, we're still working the speed turn, but now instead of on your speed turning the center field, we're going to speed turn and break hard down on a 45. So it's pedal, open, speed turn, now come down hard on a 45. Before we were speed turning to center field. Now we're speed turning back on a 45. These next set of drills, these are some partner drills that you can partner up, and what we're going to work here is our hook and swat. We've talked about it, but we really haven't set up any drills to do it. So remember, when you hook and swat, you're going to be trailing the inside hip. You're going to hook the upfield shoulder and swat with your inside arm. The reason why we hook the upfield shoulder is in case we miss on the swat and the receiver catches the ball, we can tackle him. So here are a couple examples on how to do a hook and swat.
Roll your hip. That's it. Swat and hook. Get the ball down. That's it right there. Let's go. Set. Go. Come on. Come on. Come on. Swat and hook. Come on, D. You got to run. Set. Go. Swat and hook. That's it right there. Let's go. Set. Go. Swat and hook. The defender has to stay behind the guy. Stay behind the guy. Go. Stay behind.
Here's another example how you can do a hook and swat drill just so the toss is a little easier and you don't have to throw the ball as far. Okay, this last drill here I really like. They don't throw the ball on this, but it really helps playing the top part of the comeback. You know, chewing the hips, sinking the hips, breaking when he breaks, and working back on a 45. So they don't use a ball in this example, but if you could get someone to toss a ball so you can hook and swat when you're working back to play the comeback. I would hook and swat here. That guy's a little far. You want to be nice and tight on here. Sink when he sinks, hook and swat. Get a good example here in a second. Right there, I'd swat inside. Hook and swat. Playing the comeback.